Welcome to the deep dive. Okay, so today we're jumping into Norse Organics. This is that skincare brand, the one focusing on natural organic stuff from Arctic Norway.
Exactly. And they're making some pretty enormous claims.
Huge claims like fixing acne, blackheads, redness, and they say 97% of people see results in just 9 days.
9 days. That's incredibly ambitious, almost hard to believe.
Right.
It really sets up an interesting situation. So our mission today is basically to sift through the user feedback, get past the marketing hype. We want to figure out, is this genuinely life-changing for some people with tough skin issues? Or maybe just a really good product that's, let's say, wrapped up in some questionable marketing.
Okay, yeah, let's get right into that. The results seem like the big headline here. I mean, they do try to build trust. You see the founder's story, picture and everything on the website. Makes it feel personal.
And they're very active on social media, right? Instagram, Facebook, loads of before and afters, user comments, they engage.
True. And the website's easy enough to use. Decent FAQ, email support. The usual customer service points seem covered.
But the results people report, that's where it gets really compelling.
Tell me about it. Some of the feedback is just wow, especially for really stubborn, like cystic acne.
Exactly. That's what's fascinating, the specialized success. We're seeing users who are absolutely raving, saying it cleared up persistent, painful acne, and often within weeks, which for cystic acne is remarkable. These are conditions that often don't respond well to standard stuff.
And that seems tied to their popular lines like the kill acne and redness ritual. Wow. And the anti-age one.
Those are the ones getting the most attention, yes. The kill acne and redness and the anti-age and glow rituals.
Okay, but here's the twist then. If the products are that good, genuinely delivering these dramatic results for something like cystic acne, which is a huge deal, why are we also seeing, a fair bit of criticism at the company itself?
That's the core tension, isn't it? You've got these glowing product reviews clashing pretty sharply with consistent complaints about their marketing and transparency.
Let's unpack those transparency issues. They claim features in big places, Men's Health, CBS. Sounds great on paper.
Sounds very impressive.
But customers have pointed out, and we looked, there's no, solid proof offered. No links, no articles, easily visible.
Right. And that lack of easy verification makes those big claims feel, well, a bit flimsy, doesn't it? It kind of undermines the trust they're trying to build elsewhere.
It does, and it raises questions about their whole approach.
And it's not just the unverified claims. People also mention really aggressive sales tactics.
The constant limited time offers.
Exactly. That kind of high-pressure stuff. Plus, we've seen criticism about their refund policy being maybe a bit complex or difficult. So the whole buying experience can feel pushy for some, which naturally erodes trust, even if the product itself might actually work wonders.
Okay, so the dilemma is pretty clear. Norse Organics seems to have genuinely helped a lot of people, particularly with severe acne based on user reports. That's a strong positive.
A very strong positive. Yeah.
But the way the company presents itself, its marketing, the sales pressure, it leaves something to be desired in terms of maybe comfort and straightforwardness, transparency, basically.
Precisely. So wrapping this up for you, the listener,
Yeah.
what's the takeaway? Well, if you've been really struggling with chronic skin problems, especially acne, and you're curious about a potent natural option, the sheer volume of positive results for difficult cases suggests it might be worth looking into.
Definitely worth considering, yeah. So you've got the picture now, the big claims, the really striking results reported for acne, but also these specific concerns about marketing, unverified features, aggressive sales.
Which leads us to a final thought. Skincare is so incredibly personal, right? What works miracles for one person might do nothing for another. It depends so much on individual body chemistry. So it makes you wonder, when you're looking at any consumer product like this, how much weight should you give to those exceptional, potentially life-changing user results versus, genuine concerns about the company's ethics and marketing practices? Where do you draw the line?